Hi, I'm Monty McKinnon. Thank you for joining me. What a crazy day it is already. I'm telling you, it's absolutely nuts here. So my phone may go off. I've got it on silent, but you might hear it vibrate. I woke up this morning with the strangest thought. All night long, I kept thinking about, don't tell me what you're going to do. Tell me what you did. And I don't know if that applies to you today, but if it does, that message is for you. Don't tell me what you're going to do. Tell me what you did. So in keeping with that thought, I wanted to show you what I have done or what I did. So I have glued some strips together and I made this piece here. This is the faceplate for the neck that I've got going on here. And what I did is I simply put this in the vise, clamped it together, put some crazy glue from Starbond down there, and then I glued on here some veneer, a green veneer and a black veneer, so that it will show up as a line when I cut the peg head out. So that's what I did. I did that, and there's the other one in the jig that I made. Now, this is... Technically, this is really not a jig. This is two flat pieces of poplar, and it's simply glued in between and held in place to keep it flat. So that's what I've done, and I've wrapped it in wax paper so that it won't stick to the poplar wood that's there. Now, when I ran the plate through the thickness sander, this brand new sandpaper that I put on got all messed up with black. That's glue. That's the excess glue that came off when I lowered it. So this sandpaper is I mean, I could take a few pieces off here, but it's garbage. So it's gone. It's finished. So that's what I've been working on. And yes, it is my birthday today, and I did have some chocolate cake and some ice cream. Not this morning. I had it last night, and it was delish. Oh my goodness, was it ever good. So I have to make this short because I'm heading out for a cup of tea with a friend of mine, and then I'm being taken out for lunch by my daughter. This is a great day. What can I say? So that's it. I've got my water bottle here, and I will have a slug of the water, and then we'll see you in my next video. So there it is. Don't tell me what you're going to do. Tell me what you did. And what I have done is I've ordered the proof for priorities. It's on the way here. I should have it, and it will probably be launched next week, and we'll do a video just on the launch for priorities. You're going to like that book. All right. Thanks very much. See you in the next video. Bye for now.